Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. How are you? I hope you fine as well. So today we will learn about the CapCut application, and I'll like to show you the way how you can do a fast motions for your video with only CapCut. So this is the original video that I have. It's quite a slow motions, right? So if you want to have the fast motions, you just need to go click the clip, and there will be right away a speed there. Go click it, and you can just go click normal if you want to have like a stable or the same speed in the whole video, or you can also adjust in it by go click curve. And then you just need to go click customs and click twice. So there will be like a lot of dots here, so you just need to adjusting like which are which second that you want to start this video going fast. So let's say here the first dot, I will let to increase it. So if you want to have the fast motion, make sure that you drag it into the top side, and then it will be like this. It's going fast. And if you want to make it like slow, go drag it into the lower side, and so on and so on. So whenever you're done adjusting it, you just need to click this checklist button, and here is the result. So from previous video that is slow motions, now they will have these fast motions. So that is the way how you can like get the fast motions for your video with the CapCut. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and let's meet again in two other tutorial.